Hi, and welcome to Red Lipstick. I'm Isaac, and this is Megan, my wife. Today we're going to be sampling a few colognes here, some of which I've never smelled either. We're both going to rate them as a initial spray and after the dry down. She will not know which they are until the end. So let's start with our first one. You want to shut your eyes?
It's very spicy. It smells like black licorice. Black jelly beans, which I am not a fan of. Are we rating out of 5?
Out of 5.
I give this one a 2.
A 2. Alright. Want to shut your eyes? I'll show them what we were sampling. Oh, I would have given that maybe a 2.5. Here's this one.
This one's better. This one's clean, fresh, like your body wash and deodorant. It kind of smells like your deodorant.
It's not.
Well, it certainly smells like it.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Something you wear. I'll rate this one a 4.
And I like it a lot, so it's 4.25 for me. Alright, close your eyes. Hold that. Alright. Not focusing the best. Alright. Here you go.
This one's interesting. It smells like outside. Like kind of woodsy. It smells different on the other side. Both sides of this paper smell different. I like this side better.
Rate which side you like the most.
The back side of the paper smells better. I rate this one a 4.
Alright. I like it a lot too. It's got a slight spice to it. A little floral, a little sweet.
Oh, it's
Could
not floral.
I was gonna say.
Your hands smell like dinner.
Alright, I'm gonna give that a 4. Next up. There you go.
This one stinks. I don't like this one at all. This one's a 1.
A 1, alright.
Mm-hmm.
I think it smells a little generic in my opinion.
It smells like cheap.
There's a lot of these going around.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's bad. It's just overdone. It's overdone. And for our last one, I'll give the last one a 2.5.
This one smells a little bit spicy. But that clean smell. This one does smell like off. Deet. It really does smell like deet.
Deep woods off scent for a man.
This one's really bad. This one's like a half. I give it a half point. It stinks.
I don't know. You think that smells
That
bad?
smells terrible.
I think it smells good.
It's okay if you want to smell like bug spray.
It's not that strong.
So now we're smelling them now that they've dried down.
Now that the initial scent has worn off and we get to see the mid notes here. Alright.
Oh, that was bad. It smells like... Oh, it's musky. It's also a little musty. I hate this. Ugh, it smells like old man, but like rotting. Like stinky. This gets a 1. Then that's being generous. Yeah. What is it?
It's Havan by Amen.
Okay.
Or Mugler.
Okay. Don't buy that. This one's decent. I like this one. It's not my favorite in the world, so I'd give it like a 3.
I like it. I'm going to give it a 4. That was Diesel, Only the Brave. Number 3.
This one smells like soap. I like the soapy smell. It's clean. 4.5.
Which is funny to me because you made me return this the other week.
Well, it stunk the other week.
Remember the name? It's right on the front.
Yes.
You pronounce it.
La Nuit de l'Homme.
So there you have it. That's a good one. Don't listen to her. She says return it.
It smelled bad on him.
I didn't spray it on me. I sprayed it in the air.
Well, it stunk. This one's good too. It does smell cheap though. I'll give this one a 3.
I'll give the La Nuit de l'Homme. I would say it's probably 4.5 for me. This one, I mean, it's not bad. You said 3?
Yeah.
I think the first
It's
time.
not bad, it just smells like cheap cologne.
First time you gave it a 1, I think. I'd say it's about 3.5. It's not. It's a good smell, but it's overdone. And this makes me smile because it's Jimmy Choo,
Really?
man.
Yeah, I liked this one at the store. Why? I don't know why it smells so cheap.
All right, and for the last one.
It smells like toothpaste and deep. It smells better than it first did, but it still has that cleaner smell. I'll give this one a 2.
It's a little weaker. I don't know. I still like it. I'm gonna give it 3.5. And it's a brand you don't like a whole lot to begin with.
Dolce & Gabbana?
Dolce & Gabbana, the one.
No.
So, I would say, initially, overall, out of these 5, you prefer Diesel.
I guess so. The cheapest one.
Well, I don't know. I think I spent like,
Well, not counting discounts from fragrancenut.com, where you should always buy your cologne and perfume. We're not sponsored, but it's the best website.
best price.
Here comes a pug.
Pug.
Here comes a pug. Oh, pug. She likes Diesel. Mwah.
Smell daddy.
You smell like daddy? Oh, it's good. Hi, kitty.
But I think at the end there, you like the La Nuit de l'Homme
Yeah,
the most.
which I hated before.
All right, so that about sums it up for this trial run. I think the only one I probably wouldn't choose.
Yeah, don't buy that. That's bad.
It's very distinct.
I don't like it. Like,
It's-
after it's been lingered for a while, it stinks.
It's a tobacco honey scent.
Oh, no wonder I don't like it. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.